Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Menteri jong ketenat sam boarding jong kejela u James PK Sangma menta kesengi ka arpu hendreu terik ubnaya yong arajar arpu wei ula Pynshai shikinong ilam jong keseng Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo Peoples baka sorkar kamshim lale bakala AARUM ha kebetung ya UMK Chettri kum Director Distribution hapo ka office jong ke Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited da kebekentaj syarut yiki sangut ki officer ki balatrai kamhaswa jong u. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khobor u James PK Sangma ulaong baga jingjit ya UMK Chettri bantung hagani ka pos kamdei ka basulet thormor henrai ka dei ka balaya janai bha henrai wala kataru uneu menteri jong ketenat sam boarding ula pentip shaginong ilam jong gani ka seng baan sabishar benya yakani ka kam.
An officer who can find the time and devote a lot of attention to MECL, because MECL is in such a precarious condition. So we have to take many factors into consideration before we go for selection of the CMD. So we have tried our part in terms of having a full-time CMD in Mr. Nongrum, who was an engineer and who was director at that point of time. That is also breaking away from convention, and we brought in Mr. Nongrum as CMD at that time. We have experience from that yes, having an engineer, a technocrat as CMD has many benefits, and he has performed admirably and extremely well and has contributed to the organization. After that there has been a gap wherein we brought in the Joint Secretary to act as CMD at that point of time, and she has also done an admirable job in her duties, and all of them have contributed, and they have brought in a lot of inputs into the MECL in their own ways, and they have brought about many reforms in their own way. So I don't think it's a matter of juniority or seniority. It's a matter of what the person contributes, how much time that person can give to the organization, looking at the fact that things are in a very precarious condition. Raise certain concerns about the fact that many officers, engineers have been superseded to make way for the present director of distribution. I have informed them that there is a process for selection and due diligence has been done, and the reasons for choosing such and such persons are very clear, but nonetheless I have told them that I will still get the matter examined.